Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be replacing the interior dome lights with some interior dome lights from Boost Auto. Those ones only have 2 LEDs that are lighting up the entire back seat of your vehicle versus these have 36. It's a super easy and quick install that everyone should be doing on their 2019 and up Chevy Silverado. Let's jump into it. All right, so let's go ahead and remove this. This is being the front of the vehicle. We're going to grab the front and pull it down. Popping it out. There we go. There we go. So now that we've got it out, you can see that there's 2 clips that actually go up into the interior. Those holes right there is where they actually go into. And then these ones have little clips on the side that actually hold it up into the headliner. So we can go ahead and take out this electrical connection and then replace it with our aftermarket one. There's a little white tab here. Push that out. There's this little slot right here. Pop that out, push down on it, and pop it right out. So now you can really tell the difference between the 2 of them. Both of them have the clips, but these ones have these little white tabs on either side versus the Boost Auto aftermarket ones do not. Shouldn't make a huge difference as this is the major part that's actually holding it in place. And what I've heard online as well is that if this new one isn't sitting there in place nice and snug, you can actually take these clips out and then replace them and put them on here, and it'll actually hold it nice and tight. But we're going to go and install this one and then make sure that everything's nice and tight. Okay, so we're going to face just in line with where the clip is again. Go ahead and install that. Push that clip in and then push that into place. There we go. There we go. And that's pretty loose in there, so I might try replacing the clips and see how tight that is. So I've replaced the clips now, so I'm going to try it doing it this way. So hopefully it sits a little bit better in there. Attach that in there, and wow, that is way brighter. And it turned off. Then I click the button. Did I do something? Why was it on and then now it's off? Oh, maybe it's just the door's been open too long. Yeah, that sits way better. So I changed the clips out and that actually sits proper in there. That's nice and flush on the edges. I found before it was sitting up unevenly. So that is way better. Let's go ahead and actually try to turn the lights on. Oh, there we go. Look at that, they work. It's a miracle. And that is far superior and brighter than the other ones. So really happy with that. So these aftermarket lights are far brighter than the stock ones that come with the truck. Obviously the 36 LEDs versus the single LED is going to be far superior. I was a little bit surprised with how much of a clunk it did take to get that out. And then when it actually came to installing it, just make sure you do replace those clips. Those other clips didn't really seem to work that well, even though they basically looked exactly the same. It was easy just to take the clips off the original and then throw it in on the aftermarket one, and it actually fit nice and flush and snug in the headliner there. So if you guys like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing if you haven't already. Until next time, guys, take care.